Welcome back to Joe's Allotment channel. Today we're going to talk about comfrey, particularly Russian comfrey, or Bocking 14 as it's called, which I've got growing all over the plot. I think I got some roots quite a few years ago and I've been spreading it out all over, so I've got some on the other plot as well. It's very, very useful. It was developed in the 1950s by Lawrence Hill from the Henry Doubleday Research Association, organic gardening. It's a very useful plant because it goes very, very deep into the soil, up to 2 meters I believe, and what it does is it draws up all the nutrients and it brings them into its leaves. So when you actually use it, when you use the leaves as a mulch, or you can use it as a tea, make a fertilizer out of it, or you can actually use it for a compost starter as well. So what it does, it draws up the nutrients into the leaves. So when you put them into water to decompose, the nutrients are released back into the water again. And believe it or not, the nutrients in it are as good as farmyard manure. I mean, the nitrogen, phosphorus and phosphate in it is equivalent or better than what's available in farmyard manure. So it's a very, very useful crop. So what I'll do every year is I'll chop it down, put it into water dustbins or drums, and as it rots down, it releases nutrients, and I'll use it sort of 3-to-1 ratio. It's good for tomatoes, good for peppers, but you can use it on any vegetable really. It's a good all-round sort of nutrient fertilizer. So it's a very long-lived plant. It's related to the borage family, but it's sterile. Borage, I mean, if you've ever grown borage, it seeds and it goes everywhere. Well, this was developed to be a sterile plant. It doesn't produce seeds, and it's spread by root division. So if you get some and grow it, every few years you can divide it and spread it around. The only thing with it, it does smell, and it smells awful. So this is from last year's cutting. So what I'll do is I'll do sort of 3-to-1 ratio, and I'll
it does smell.
and I'll water the broad beans with it. Keep that covered over. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give us a like, leave us a comment, or consider subscribing. But comfrey is well worth the effort of, if you can get hold of some root from somebody, grow it on, and you can make your own free liquid fertilizer. Thank you for watching.